Hey everyone! Today, we're making a classic that's unbelievably simple and incredibly delicious. Hot milk cake. It's light, fluffy, and perfect for any occasion, even if you're just starting your baking journey. Get ready to impress with minimal effort. You'll need just a few pantry staples. We're talking flour, sugar, eggs, baking powder, vanilla, and of course, milk and butter. Simple ingredients for a truly spectacular result. This recipe proves that sometimes less is definitely more. The magic happens when we heat the milk and butter together until just simmering. This warm mixture then gets folded into our egg and sugar batter, creating an emulsion that gives the cake its signature tender crumb. It's a game changer for texture. Pour your beautiful batter into a prepared pan and bake until golden and a toothpick comes out clean. The aroma filling your kitchen will be absolutely divine. Serve it plain with berries or a dusting of powdered sugar. It's pure comfort in every bite. This hot milk cake is a fantastic recipe for beginners and a delightful treat for seasoned bakers. It's quick, easy, and always a crowd pleaser. Give it a try this week and share your baking triumphs with us. Happy baking, everyone!